profit,
cash flow,
marketing,
branding,
social media,
accounts payable, all the different pieces that come together to make your business work. And we are here to show you how all those pieces can work together to maximize your return on investment and your time. It is not easy to take an idea and turn it into a profitable business. But if the love of what you do is greater than any obstacle or failure that you will come upon, you will prevail. We are two entrepreneurs, and we're gonna show you how we have built and done what we have done. Hi, I'm Christy.
And I'm Jenny, and together we've built a 7-figure business in under 3 years. We have been featured in Forbes, Entrepreneur, and Inc., among others. We did it without investors and the unconventional way from across the country.
It's true. She lives in Portland, headquarters is based here in Atlanta, and we started it off my garage floor and her kitchen table. And what we're gonna do is cut through the BS and show you how we did it.
You might relate to Christy. She's the left brain. Visionary, trained in finance, and the queen of productivity. She brings energy to everything she does, and she leaps quickly.
Or you might relate to Jenny Moore, the right brain. She's creative, a branding genius, a marketing expert. She's methodical and conservative with everything she does. Together, we both have a shared love of organization and a heart for helping others. And we've created systems and workflows that not only works for our business, but also our life. We are here to teach you and to help you with your growth. If you are new in business, if you're thinking about starting a business, if you're a seasoned entrepreneur, or you're just getting your business off the ground, we will show you guys how we have done what we have done and give you a solid organizational foundation to continue your growth. We will be covering how to get your business started, how to brand your business properly, how to take that brand and market it to potential consumers, different tools, workflows, and systems that you can implement into your business, and finance, making sure the numbers make sense and support your growth.
Our purpose with the Start Business Workshop is to teach you how to make smarter business decisions, increase profit, and ultimately work in a more focused direction.
We are passion driven, and I really feel like a passion is just that until it's used in service for others. At that point, it becomes a purpose. Our purpose with Start Business Workshops is to teach you how you can build a business that supports a life that you want to live. What if your little idea becomes a big idea? Don't you owe it to yourself to try?